Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And once again, 0.026 has become just an absolute thorn in the side of this chart. Yesterday the price, let me just kind of recap. So yesterday when I was talking, it was a matter of, hey, the price is broken up above that area of resistance of 0.026. Is this the start of something bigger? Is this the beginning of a breakout? And this morning, started off very nice, but after that, the price, just could never get any follow through and eventually fell back below that level. Now, the one bit of, price movement that was definitely a nice little sign of power was that during this, pullback here, price came right down to this green line that I've talked about before at 0.023, found some support right there. Not only did it find support, that support acted as a nice little bounce point and projected the price back upwards. So from that, viewpoint, definitely a good solid day. Nice to see 0.023 still acting as support. And I say still because if you go back here through the history, you can see on 3 separate occasions there, it's acted as support. So once again, acting as a level where there's clearly several buyers down at 0.023. But as far as levels of resistance, 0.026, definitely still that key stubborn area. I would definitely agree that it's been weakened up. I mean, over the past couple of days, the price has been able to get up above it. But the problem is the price has just not been able to stay up above it. And that's what a true break is. The true break has 2 parts. The first part is always the obvious one. Well, the price has to get above a certain level. But then that second part is, can the price stay above that level? And that's where this one has struggled. So overall, the entire chart is still perfectly fine. So when I'm just talking about, this annoyance, this is definitely just geared towards a very, very short amount of time here. But from the big picture of things, just to illustrate that, from that point of view, everything is totally fine still. It's just going through a healthy consolidation. It's an annoying consolidation. I mean, there's no doubt about that. But as far as, is it like not healthy? No, it's perfectly fine. It's still chipping away and building these higher bases. And that's what you want to see. But who knows? Maybe on Friday, the bulls will finally actually get a true breakout from 0.026. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.